I'm going to show you 4 adverts. Look at them carefully and tell me, in terms of structures or grammar, what do they have in common? Here's the first one from a food shop. Here's the second from Vietjet Air. The third one is an advert from Hyundai Test Drive. The fourth one is from a yogurt drink called Yomost. Okay, have you found the one thing that all of these adverts share? If you haven't, here's a hint. They all contain one specific word. Take a look again. What's the word that appears in all these ads? It's là. You've probably learned là early in your Vietnamese learning journey as meaning am, are, is. For example, em tên là Annie. Em là người Việt Nam. Em là giáo viên tiếng Việt. But là in these examples is doing something a bit different. Now let's look at word-for-word English translations for these slogans to see if we can figure out what là is doing. 1. Ăn là ghiền. Ăn là ghiền. Eat là addicted. 2. Bay là thích ngay. Bay là thích ngay. Fly là like immediately. 3. Lái là mê. Lái là mê. Drive là love. 4. Thích là phải nhất. Thích là phải nhất. Like là must go ahead. Do you see what là is doing? It is used to express a sense of an inevitable outcome, as in, to try it is to love it, or of an outcome that happens immediately, as in, if you try it, you will love it, or right away, or immediately. Now let's try to translate these slogans into natural-sounding English. 1. Ăn là ghiền. Ăn là ghiền. Eat it once and you will be addicted. 2. Bay là thích ngay. Bay là thích ngay. Fly and you will love it right away. 3. Lái là mê. Lái là mê. To try it is to adore it. 4. Thích là phải nhất. Thích là phải nhất. If you like it, why wait? To summarize, A là B is used to express that B happens inevitably or immediately from A.